Hi, this is a video about the new user interface to Barco Alchemy projectors. This user interface is called Barco Web Commander, and it's running fully out of the projector, just with a web browser interface. You don't need any additional type of software to install. So when you're connecting to the projector by typing the IP address of the projector, you're seeing this this page to log in. There are three ways to access the projector: as a projectionist, as a show manager, or as an administrator, or you can just continue as a guest, as I'm going to show here. That will show you an overview. But when we want to log in, let's go ahead and log in as administrator. So the default username is admin, the default password is admin1234 with a capital A. You can define your own username and passwords in Barco Communicator. So the first page that we're logging onto when we're accessing a Barco Alchemy projector is the projector dashboard. So this is a projector, so you're going to see the status of your projector, the tail lights essentially. You're going to see if the lamp is turned on or off, if your dowser is on or off, if there's a test pattern on the screen. And this is an integrated projector, so it means that it also contains a media server and integrated storage. So this is where you're seeing the status of your storage. You see how much place is left, how much is being used, the status of your RAID controller. So if everything is absolutely fine, you're going to see that it's healthy. The dashboard also shows you if there is something loaded into the media player, what the name of the show is, and if it's actually playing and where it is in its playout. It also shows you if there's a scheduler, and it tells you about the health of your content. So in here we see that there's one KDM that is ingested, and it's absolutely fine. There are no other KDMs that that have issues on the system. You see that there are 40 clips that are absolutely fine, 4 clips that are probably missing assets or KDMs. You have 5 shows that are absolutely fine, and 3 shows that are either missing a KDM or some assets in there.